Are you looking for the best WhatsApp tricks? You got the right place. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will show you the best WhatsApp tricks that will save your time. Before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification button. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. The first WhatsApp trick is how to message a person when you're asleep. Sounds creepy but is possible with me, so follow the steps to use this WhatsApp tricks. You have to download TM WhatsApp. Download link will be in the description below, so follow the steps to learn how to. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.